Welcome back to my channel. It's Eva from Noshki's Nails. I wanted to use this pretty color that I got. It was gifted to me from a friend of mine. I think the name of the actual color is kind of ripped off from here. It might have been included with the price, so I'm sorry. I cannot tell you what this is actually called, but I think she got it from Forever 21. I could be mistaken. I do have 2 coats of that on my nails, and I want to stamp using Hit the Bottle. This one is called Champagne Shifter. We'll be using Ejiubas plate EJB01. I might use 1 to 2 images here and put a little bit of that onto my nails. So let's go ahead.